Let's create this quick and easy party eye makeup look in just 5 steps. It's simple and the final results is absolutely beautiful. I will make this eye makeup look even easier by using a cotton swab as a guide. My name is Arish and I make videos on makeup tips and tricks. So let's get started. Prepping the eyes before starting any eye makeup. It's very important to prep your eyelid. I'm using Cetaphil moisturizer to hydrate my eyelids, especially on the dry areas. After that, I apply elf concealer under my eyes and over my eyelids. I am blending it with a large foundation brush. I know it's big, but I prefer using it because it covers a large area quickly and blends really well. Next, I am setting my under eye area and eyelids using setting powder. This helps to keep the makeup in place and prevent creasing. So for the next step, now I am moving on my eyebrows. As you can see, I have a small gap in the middle of my eyebrows. I will fill it using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow gel, one of my favorites, and I always use this to shape and define my brows. After filling them in, I clean and define the area under my brows with concealer. Now for the eyeshadows, I am using the 5-step technique and I am using a cotton swab to create a roadmap. So first of all, I am applying a pinkish brown eyeshadow on my crease in dotted form. This helps mark the placement of the color and makes blending easier. Next, I add dark brown eyeshadow in dots on the inner and outer corner of my eyelid. I begin blending these with the same cotton swab and then use a small blending brush to soften the edges. As you can see guys, the blended eyeshadows go slightly above the crease to give a more lifted and bigger eye effect. Since I feel the shades are a bit too light, I am dipping the outer and inner corners with more dark brown shadow, again blending with a small round brush. Now I am adding a rose pink shade on top of the dark brown area. I am gently blending it right on the same spots, mostly with the cotton swab to avoid over blending. Next, I am adding 2 dots of black eyeshadow on the inner and outer corner of my upper eyelid. First, I blend it slightly with a cotton swab and then use a small round blending brush in circular motions to blend it well. As you can see, all the shades are coming together beautifully. For any eye makeup look, blending is always a key for the good results. Now I apply the silver shimmer shade to the lower eyelid from the inner part to the middle. Then I take the black eyeshadow again and apply it to the outer corner of my upper lash line like eyeliner. I placed it in 3 dots and blend it outward to create a soft smudged wing, nothing too sharp or bold. I also apply black eyeshadow to my lower lash line from the middle to the outer corner using a cotton swab. Now it's time to add some drama to the look. I am applying some loose multi glitters on my eyelids. Use glitter glue before applying the glitter to avoid fallout. If glitter falls onto your face, you can remove it easily using tape. Just press and lift to pick up the glitter without disturbing your makeup. I'm applying the glitter with a cotton swab, but for better results, you can use your fingertips for shimmer or glitter application. Now comes my favorite part. I am curling my eyelashes and applying the YSL Lash Clash Mascara. Don't forget your lower lashes, they really complete the eye look. You can apply highlighter to your brow bone and inner corner. I actually missed recording that part, but you can already see I have applied it there, and that's the final look. As you can see, it's very easy to create, and the cotton swab technique makes everything much simpler and more precise. I hope this tutorial helps you with your eye makeup. If you have any suggestions, feel free to comment, and I would love to make more videos like this for you. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you. See you in the next one. Bye.